What is up, everybody? AnimeFan 1997 here, and today I will be reviewing trailers for the upcoming franchise, Sonic Boom. But before I start reviewing them, I'm going to show the first trailer, which is the opening sequence for the TV series. Take a look.
You can't lose me, Egghead! Eggman! You know my name is Dr. Eggman! You do that on purpose! Do what, Egghead? Whoa! It all ends here, old friend. Prepare to be destroyed by Burnbot! So what, he's gonna burn me with flamethrowers or something? Flamethrower? No. Oh, acid? Incendiary grenades! No. The claws! His claws! Very painful claws! Well, then you should have called them Clawbot, or Delacerator, or Pentatron 9000, but Burnbot? I mean, that's just false advertising. I name the robot Sonic! Burnbot! Attack!
This is Yellow Sky. I have eyes on Burnbot. She's on the move. Over.
Thanks, Tails. Initiate speeding swing surprise. Get up! Bail, Tails, bail! Tails, no!
Now that you've seen that trailer, I'm about to show you the trailer for the video game. So sit tight, because after this trailer, I'll be giving you a review on why I chose these two. Okay? Back in a few.
What exactly is this place? This is paradise.
Check this out. A secret room.
Make way!
review time. So yes, as you can see, those were the two trailers for the upcoming franchise. This franchise is completely different from the main franchise. Well, as you can tell, the characters have a different look to them. Knuckles looks a lot muscular, Sonic looks like an adventurer, and Tails, looks like he is a mechanic. So he's always been a mechanic. And in the game trailer, you saw that it was for the Wii U and 3DS. Reason why that is because this is the third and final game that is listed on a contract between Nintendo and Sega. And as you saw, like beginning, it's normal plotline somewhat, but it takes a different spin to it. Some of you might be asking, is it a good or bad thing that they made so many changes? Well, that is up to a debate, and I'm open for opinions. My question is, and I'm still open for opinions, but my question is, do you think that this franchise will be successful in the long run? Leave your opinions and questions in the comment box below. Be sure to subscribe. And this review is brought to you by me, AnimeFan 1997. And from one person to another, I bid you a blessed life. Until next time, be safe, bless you, and farewell.